Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Well, I can't really have a different video because I'm not allowed to play Roblox. So yeah, sad. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, guys. I really don't. Actually, I'm gonna need some veggies. Let's take a stack of carrots. Well, we're going to search for a wolf today. We're going to search for a skeleton. We're going to kill the skeleton. And then we are going to get the bones, search for a wolf, and then tame the wolf. So, let's go do some inventory stuff. Get a wolf. Oh, hang on. Night. So, I'm going to wait for a skeleton or zombie to come. Then, I'm going to get the bones. Then, I'm going to go to sleep. Then, tame my dog. Or find a wolf, tame my dog. I'm not going to go too far. I'm not going to go off the other island. I'm not going to go to any of the other islands. I'm just gonna... No, evil guys. Come on, evil guy. I need to fight you. Preferably since. Evil guys. Evil guys? No evil people? Normally, Minecrafters don't want any skeletons or anything. But I do. I need them. Skelly bobs. I only need a skelly bob. Skelly bob. Skelly bob. I thought skelly bobs weren't rare. Why is there a turtle all the way? Whoa, zombie! Whatcha? 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 Why is it? Wow. Why are there turtles up here? I'm gonna call this place Turtle Mountain. Because there are turtles. And I like turtles. There's a spider. These turtles, that zombie and that spider, the only mobs I've seen. And the only evil ones I've seen are the zombie and the spider. Very annoying. I'm gonna wait here. What are you? Just gonna put this dirt here, ready for my next poppies I get from my next adventure. Ooh! Oh, I thought that was a cave. I was like, woohoo! Manamanu. But then it was like, oh wait, it's not a cave, it's a cheaty puff. Why are there turtles up here? It's not their natural spawning place. Is it to lay eggs or something? If it is, why don't you go there like a normal turtle, like that guy over there? Why are there no skellybobs? Skellybobs! Skellybobs? There's a zombie on that island. Why aren't there? I bet there's a skeleton on every other island. Look, there's one being attacked by those. Ooh. I'm gonna get the bone and tame them. Come on, guys, let's go. Sneaky. Whatcha? Where's the bones? What's that? Oh, drowns! I'm gonna fight you, drowny wowny. Drowny wowny woo woo. Hey, why can't I hit you? Are you dead? What's wrong with you? What? What? I just need to get my stuff, guys. Oh yes, skeletons over there. Good. I know this is cheating, but really I'm bad at Minecraft, so I need to collect tridents. So mean. I'm so angry that those guys hurt us. I'm so angry. Wait, I got 2 helmets by accident. I should probably do this in the day, because they can't die when they're in the water. I'm gonna kill you. Yes, I got them. What did they drop? Haha. Whatcha? Why aren't you guys attacking me? I'm attacking you. Do you only attack at night? What is wrong with you? Okay. They only drop one push. Oh no, I'm in creative! That's why. Oops. Wait. Is that what I think it is? No way. No absolute way. It's a trident. Okay, I need to get an anvil to repair this. Ooh, poppies. Run, 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 run. These puppies can go free, I don't mind. Phew, phew, phew. Anvil, I need to craft an anvil. I have iron, don't I? Where's my iron? Oh, yeah, it's in here. Crafty wafting table. Would that craft an anvil? How do you craft an anvil? Wait, where's the anvil? Only one willy willy. What's that? Conduit. What does that do? Where's the anvil? Why can't we craft an anvil? How do you even craft an anvil? I'm so confused. How do you craft an anvil? We have iron. I'm pretty sure you need iron to craft an anvil. I'm gonna put this safe. Oh, we already have a trident in our sea stuff. Never mind. Just gonna put this back, guys. Oops. I'm so glad we actually found a trident. Oh, my tree grew that we did last video. Sometimes. I think I saw the skillabobs over here. No? Okay then. I'm gonna go look at that coral reef. I think it is cool. A fish! I wanna kill it. Come back here, fishy, wishy. What? No, I can't kill you. It's a fish. Everyone likes fish, so I don't want to kill it. What's that? Some kind of ocean thing. No, you don't get anything from it. Wait, bubbles. Are those air bubbles? Never mind, need to get up. What? Oh, I'm so bad at this. This is the place where I died. Ooh, iron. Oh wait, that's my deadness. I need it. Come back to me. Sword, I need you. I need all to collect all of these before they despawn. I think this is all the important stuff. Pufferfish! I thought these were rare. Hey pufferfish, come here. Hi! Oh look, that's cool. That's so cool. Ow! Ooh, come on. I can't die here. I need to get back to the house. I can die there, but not here. Let's go. I'm doing it really weird. Look. Ooh yeah. Oops. Oh man, this is so bad. I'm very sad. I'm so bad at this. But guys, it is almost the end of the video, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye.